What's up, YouTube? Blessed Trader in the building. I'm back again. I ain't gonna waste any time, my people. You know what it is. Nasdaq Cartel team, we in this thing. So yeah, let's take it. You were trading Nasdaq for the first time, my people, and what you would do is you would find your chart maybe looking like this if you've customized your charts like I did. So you first check your current high and low zone, right, from the daily right there. Then you move back to your H4. Then on your H4 you refine your current day high and low, and you start looking at like your inner structure of your current high and low. You start looking at the order blocks of it, like your POI zones, right, point of interest zones. So this is it. These are your 2 points, your high and your low point of interest zones. Then you scale into the H1. Then you bring back your session breakers, like from here to here covers a day, from here to here covers a day, from here to here covers a day. So this is your Thursday, this is your Friday, this is your Monday. Let's take it. You were analyzing on Sunday. I didn't analyze on Sunday. I had already analyzed on Friday, right? On Friday I knew we were gonna buy on Monday because of how the day closed and the respect the day paid to our previous day, which is Thursday's low, and obviously coming from our all-time high, which is a high created on Thursday closing and hitting us to Friday opening. So yeah, this is it. This is your zone. You refine it on H1. Then yeah, kind of refine your zones. You refine all your zones. You refine all your zones. Yeah, this is it. I would go for this when it comes to that high, just to be safe, because there's some choppy structure there. If you were to refine it properly, you would go to the lower time frames. So yeah guys, without any waste of time, this would be your target profit. Like when you took your trade here, you would target your TP here, but your TP1 would slightly be here, because you can see this was a choppy structure. This is a clean clear left POI or order block or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's an inside buy in a dropping structure. So whatever, without any waste of time guys, this is it. This is where Friday I took my buy, closed here because I had already took my profits for the whole week. Like I had already hit my target. So yeah, my system is basically technical. As you can see, this is how I analyze my markets. Then there's a flavor added to my analysis, which is the secret tool that I use to give me entries whereby I won't suffer any drawdown. When I enter the markets, if I'm using micro, I'll be like in a drawdown of less than 5 rands all the time. If it's more than 5 rands, it's 10 rands, less than 20 rands at all times. So meaning with a 10 rand account, I can enter a trade and make profits. With a 20 rands account, I can enter a trade and make profits. Same applies to my CFD. With a 1000 rands account, I can take 2 trades or max out my account, knowing that my drawdown will be less than 100 rands, and it pulls up. I make very good profits. As you can see, if I took 3 trades here all the way to here, I would be in very good profits. Let me show you something. This is what I would have worked on, for example, just for example. So I would have entered here. Surely I would have entered here. I'm 100% sure of that. I would have entered here because my tool told me to enter here last week. I remember that. I would have entered here, had my stop loss here. As you can see, my stop loss says 282, and price never got to my stop loss. When I entered there, it would have came here, and the drawdown would have been how much? Let's see, 120. Let's see. I just want to confirm, 111 rands. So let's say we had a drawdown of 111 rands, right? So with 2 orders, you had a drawdown of 222 rands. So your account on 1,000 rands would have held, right? And even on a 500, but on a 500 it wouldn't have allowed you to open 2 orders. You would have opened 1 order. Then that order would have hit your take profit of 3,000 rands, and your take profit one would be here, and you would have made how much? 4,000 rands from what? From one trade taken on a 500 rands account, and you would have made 4,000 rands with a 500 rands, or on 1,000 with 2 orders you would have made 8,000 rands. So that's how crazy my system is. And if you had your target profits here at your all-time high, you would have made 10,000 rands with 2 orders on your 1,000 rands account. And yeah, let me stop emphasizing you with all this would have. Let's just see what I'm working on. As I told you, I took a trade. So this is a trade I took it today morning. I took it here. As you can see, it's micro, and yeah, as I told you, my system told me to enter here. I did, and I took my profits here when it took a 10 back. And yeah, just closed my Friday, and this I started. I'm already running in profits. This was my psychological level, my psychological point where I paid attention to, because I knew something was gonna happen here. A lot of people who took trades here closed here. I still held, because yeah, it's me and my system. So yeah, as you can see, we're moving fine. I'm still holding. I'm signing out, guys. Plus Shady here, Nasdaq Cartel here. Do sign up for our full course. As you can see in the screen now, I've displayed our full course, right? And see what we offer in our full course, and you can come through for it. Go down below the description box, follow us on all our social media platforms, in touch with us, and just communicate with us, and have yourself a fruitful trading lesson. Signing out, guys. Nasdaq Cartel.